Alright, hey guys. Look what I got in the mail today. Yes, I completely covered this shipping label because I had to delete one of my old videos because I was dumb and didn't cover it. Anyway, so this to make it nice and simple, it's not a pole, it's not a horn, it's not a strobe. It's something. Pink bubble wrap. This guy really likes breast cancer awareness. And look, that's right, got a sync module. Anything else in there? Oh, my battery's dying, so let me wrap this up real quick. If my battery dies, and here it is. Here's the back. Here's the front. That's it. Bye.